Hi, welcome to this video, day 22, Affiliate Marketing, Beginner to Expert, 30 Days Challenge, $1,000. In this video, we are going to see about how to analyze what the competitors are doing, how to go inside the world of competitors and analyze their keywords, what are all the keywords they have used, and we can take that keywords and use it for our blogs and for our articles, right? So this is what happens, and this spying or analyzing the competitors, we can just take some. For example, we will take some niche. I'll just show you two niches, right? First, I'll just take a dog niche, right? So in Google, I'll just go and type as best. Wait just a second, I'll just type it. Best dog food for French bulldogs. I'll just type this niche. Okay, in Google, I'm just searching. I'm just showing this is a very important thing to how to spy the competitors, what they are doing, right? So this is the Affiliate Marketers blog, and I'm just taking this competitors blog over there, right? And after taking the blog and go inside the blog, and we will have a look at it whether it's an authority site or a niche site. And by the way, I just wanted to tell you what is authority site. Don't get confused. Authority site is a website which has many niches in it, and the niche site is the site which concentrate only in one site, right? So this is, so I have just typed in a Google, and this is a niche site. I'll just have a look at it. Yes, it's a niche site. He is selling the dog food, dog chains, everything. So now what I have to do is, yes, and I will just the copy the URL, just a main URL, right? And I will place it in SEMrush organic research, right? I'll just place it there. I'll just copy it, go to SEMrush, login, and I have just given the link in the description of SEMrush tool, and it's a 7-day trial. You can just go for it, and you can use it for 7 days. And after that, if it is, it's a paid tool. And if you are not familiar, if your budget is little low, I will in further videos I will tell about the free keyword tools. You just go for the free keyword tools and you can use it. SEMrush, I am familiar with SEMrush, so I am just showing you. Okay, I have just copied the URL and pasted in organic research, and it's showing the keywords 54,200 keywords, and after that, and it's showing minus 3.05 because the trend of searching this keyword has become less for the past 3 months. So that is the thing it's showing, and I'm just scrolling it down. So just a second. Yeah, I'm scrolling it down, and these are all the graphical method it's showing, and I've just scroll it down, and yeah, this is the top organic keywords what we are looking for. These are all the top organic keywords, and I'll just hit the top organic keywords. Yes. So these are all the keywords what our competitors are using in their websites, right? So this is how, this is the method how to spy the competitors, and here we will just check our long tail keywords. In previous video I have said about the long tail keywords has the volume is less but the conversion ratio is high. So I just wanted to go for advanced filters, include and words count and greater than, click greater than, and put 3 or 4 words, anything you wish, because that comes the long tail keywords. Yes. So 44,300 long tail keywords are there. You can use these keywords for creating the articles or blogs, right? So this is the long tail keywords what our competitors have been using, and this is the method how to spy the competitors what they are doing, right? So I'll just give you another example of another different niche. This is a dog training niche, and I'll give you some sports niche or something like that. So this is how it works, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications, right? And here I'll just long tail keywords which word counts more than 4. Yes, and the keywords is 27,300, that's word counts which has more than 4. So you can just take these long tail keywords and use it for your articles or blogs or spy your competitors what they are doing. So if you have any doubts, please call to this number. And this is a paid tool. I am just familiar with this paid tool. I am just using SEMrush. There are n number of free keyword research tool. In further video, I will tell you what are all the different free keyword tool. You can use the keyword tools also, right? For if you are interested in using SEMrush, I have given the link in the description. You can use the SEMrush tool for 7 days trial at free of cost, right? And again I am just going for some other niche, right? So the niche what I'm just going to try to do is best mountain bikes under 20,000 rupees. So this is a niche website. I'll just take this niche website. Yes, and this is also a niche website. Click here to make this niche website. Okay, so now I am copying this main URL. Right, I'll just have a look at this niche website now. And if you are interested to make your affiliate marketing as your career, I just wanted, if you are interested, you have to buy the hosting first. Many people will say whether we can do affiliate marketing without the help of the hosting. You can do affiliate marketing without the help of the hosting, but major players, major big brands, big companies will ask for your website URL to make a sign up and to get an approval. So for that reason, please create a website with a very good hosting. And I have given the links in the YouTube description. And if you buy the link via my link, I'll just be happy, and it encourages me for posting the videos at free of cost. So again, I have just copied the main URL of that website and I am searching over there. Choosemybicycle.com. 18,500 keywords are there. I'll just go and search for the organic keywords, right? I'll just graphical method also I'm just seeing. And now I'll just show you the top organic keywords are there. View all the organic keywords, right? And after that, go for advanced filter and search for long tail keywords which has very low volume but high conversion rate. So I'm just clicking the advanced filters, include in keyword words count greater than 3 or 4. Greater than, I'll just type, whether I'll just type 3 or 4. I'll go for 4. I'm just searching. So 6,200 organic keywords of long tail keywords we have found it from our competitors website. We can take these keywords and we can use it. right? These are all long tail keywords. And this long tail keywords have a very high conversion rate, and I'm damn sure if you are concentrating on long tail keywords, this SEM rush tool what you have bought will do all kinds of SEO, keyword research, everything this one tool will make. From nowadays, from now onwards, from 6 months from now, this SEM rush tool will make you a millionaire. If you are not ready to spend, it's okay. You just go for a free keyword research tool and make a keyword research in that keyword research tool and do the affiliate marketing. I'll in the next video or upcoming videos, I'll give you what is the alternative tool, free keyword tool for other than SEM Rush. Okay. So, and this is the way you have to do it. And please don't spend more money for the digital gurus by paying 50,000, 20,000. Since I'm giving this video as free, it you don't think this has no value. It has very high value. It is more than the same thing only the digital gurus will send, will give you. And don't get cheated by giving 50,000, 1 lakh rupees to these digital gurus. And the same thing, I'll cover you everything. Social media marketing in future I will do it, SEO I will do it, automation I will do it, email marketing, every aspect of digital marketing I'll just teach you. You don't have to worry about it, right? So thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification, right? So that if I post any video, it will just get notified and you will be on the run. So keep learning, earn lots and lots of money. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.